Hi folks, it's Mark here with Building the Bruce, and I just wanted to post a follow-up video to the modifications that we made to the rear forks for the tractor. So the goal was to make all of my implements quick hitch compatible, and as you can see, everything worked out pretty well. This is a pretty heavy load on the back of the tractor, and at one point it actually maxed out the capacity of the 3-point, which is somewhere around 2,000 pounds. So yeah, everything worked. The hydraulic top link is certainly nice to have, and we connected and disconnected a few times with the quick hitch, and then I picked up the ballast box, kind of went back and forth between the implements, but everything worked out exactly as it should. So super happy with how this turned out. And if anyone has any questions about measurements or the process, just leave a comment or question down below and I'll be sure to answer that. I certainly appreciate all the support and like to read the comments. And yeah, hope you enjoy the video, and thanks for watching.